Okay, so what we're going to do now is download the plugin to be able to record MP3 files using Audacity. So first of all, go back to the screen where you downloaded Audacity and locate the tab that says download right here. Okay, click on it. When you are here, look for Audacity for Windows right here and click on this link. It will take you to this page. Now locate the lame MP3 encoder, which is the extension, the plugin that helps you to export files to MP3. Okay, and click on it. Okay, when you get to this page, okay, there's a lot of information here for you to read. Simply find here where it says how I download and install the lame MP3 encoder and click on download page. When you get here, just move your cursor down and here you will find the lame version 3.99.3 for Windows. Okay, this is the one we're going to use and click on it. The plugin will, as you can see, will start to download, so it will just take a couple of seconds. When you have finished downloading the lame file, click on it so that the installation begins. Okay, just go through these different screens by clicking next. Okay, here it's telling you where you want to install lame. So we'll just do next and install. There you go. So this is everything you have to do in order to enable Audacity to export files in MP3 format. But we will check, however, to see that everything is working fine. In order to make sure that you have installed the lame file correctly and that it is connected to Audacity, this is what you have to do. Go to the program, to the Audacity main screen, and then locate Preferences under the Edit menu. Here is right at the bottom. Click on it, and then look for, on this list on the left, look for libraries. If your program is in Spanish, you will find it as bibliotecas. So on the right hand side, you will find here that it says library version for lame, and click on ubicar, which will give you the exact location of the lame file that you just downloaded. All right. By default, it is placing it correctly. So basically, you don't have to do anything. It's just a matter of double checking that everything is going okay. Just click on accept. And everything is okay now to start recording.